Social media management is one of the fastest growing careers, and trust me, in 2025 this field will continue to boom. So if you want to become a social media manager and have no clue where or how to get started, then you have nothing to worry about, because I've got you covered. As right now, I will be sharing with you how you can become a social media manager in 2025, even if you have no prior experience. And if you're ready to become a highly paid social media manager, I have a free gift for you at the end of this video. So make sure that you watch till the end to get your free gift to help you become a highly paid social media manager. Hi, my name is Immaculate Uchechi Enyiribe. I'm the team lead at UC Media, a social media agency aimed at growing and maintaining the social media presence of brands and businesses. And as the lead trainer at the Social Media Academy by IUC Media, I teach aspiring social media managers how to do the same. If you are new here, you are welcome. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notification bell so that you don't miss out on new videos to teach you how to grow on social media as they drop every week. And to my returning subscribers, welcome back. You all, please don't forget to like, comment, and share this video, as it will mean a lot to me. So let's dive in. The first thing I will do to become a social media manager in 2025 is to get the right training. Social media is constantly evolving, so staying updated and knowing exactly what you need to do to satisfy your customers is key. Enroll in online courses or join a reputable training program like ours at the Social Media Academy by IUC Media. So if you are just starting out and would like someone to hold your hands in training to help you go from a beginner to an expert social media manager, I have a few spaces open for my social media management training and mentorship program for just 150,000 naira, which is about $65 only. You will have a 1-month one-on-one coaching session with me where I will hold your hands and take you through everything that you need to know to become a social media manager. And you will get a chance to work with us as an intern after your training and get paid while you continue to learn and be mentored until you become an expert. If you would like to enroll, check out the description down below for details on how you can enroll. The next step is to build your personal brand. Your online presence is your resume. So this is where you need to open a social media account or use your existing social media accounts to begin to build your personal brand. Start posting content that showcases your skills and interests. Be consistent, engage with your audience, and don't forget to optimize your bio to reflect your expertise. The next thing is to open and practice with dummy accounts based on your interests. Now, practice makes perfect. So open dummy accounts for fictional or passion-based brands. Step 4 is to start building your portfolio. Showcase your work from those dummy accounts or projects that you have done for family or small businesses. Create a simple website or a PDF that highlights your achievements, your strategies, and your results. These are what clients want to see and one of your major tickets to getting hired. And lastly, start prospecting. Reach out to small businesses, enterprises, non-profits, your family, friends, acquaintances, church members, and colleagues who might need your services. My dear, carry your business for head like gala. Pitch your expertise and show them how you can help them solve their social media challenges. Bonus tip: be organized and professional. Use tools like calendar, project management apps, and analytics dashboards to stay on top of your tasks. Communicate clearly with your clients, meet deadlines, and maintain a positive can-do attitude. Because trust me, how you manage your clients will determine how far you will go in this business. So that wraps up the 5 steps plus a bonus that you need to take to get started as a social media manager in 2025. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, share this video, and of course subscribe if you are yet to. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell, as I'll be sharing weekly tips to help not just business owners managing their social media pages, but also social media managers like yourself to thrive and grow their business on social media or as a social media manager. So my gift for you today, if you're ready to become a highly paid social media manager, is my free guide on how to make 6 figures monthly as a social media manager. Check out the link in the description to grab your free copy today. And I will see you in the next video.